Choosing the right desktop publishing software can completely change how you design and lay out your projects without feeling overwhelmed. Today, we'll compare Scribus and InDesign to help you make an informed choice. Scribus and InDesign are both powerful tools for desktop publishing. The core difference lies in their accessibility and pricing. Scribus is open source and free, while InDesign is a premium subscription-based software with advanced features. Scribus is an open source desktop publishing program that allows users to create professional quality documents. It supports various file formats and offers advanced layout features, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced designers. With tools for text and image manipulation, Scribus empowers users to design brochures, newsletters, and more. One of its strengths is its cost effectiveness, as it is completely free to use. However, it may lack some advanced features found in premium software, such as seamless integration with other Adobe products. Ideal users for Scribus are those who prioritize budget and are willing to invest time in learning its interface and capabilities. InDesign is Adobe's flagship desktop publishing software, known for its robust feature set and user-friendly interface. It offers advanced typography, layout options, and seamless integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud applications. InDesign is perfect for creating complex documents, such as magazines, books, and marketing materials. Its strengths include a vast array of templates and a strong community of users for support. However, it requires a subscription, which can be a limitation for some users. The ideal user for InDesign is a professional designer or business that needs high-quality output and is willing to invest in a comprehensive toolset. When comparing Scribus and InDesign, consider your project requirements and budget. For simple projects or users just starting out, Scribus offers a solid foundation without any costs. It's great for creating basic layouts and is perfect for those who want to experiment. On the other hand, InDesign shines in professional environments where high-quality design is crucial. Its advanced features can handle complex projects efficiently, making it the preferred choice for businesses and seasoned designers. Ultimately, the trade-off comes down to cost versus functionality. If you need extensive features and support, InDesign is worth the investment. Budget-conscious users or those starting their design journey, Scribus is an excellent option. If you're looking for a free, versatile option, Scribus is the way to go for your desktop publishing needs. For those who need advanced features and professional output, InDesign is the recommended choice. It offers a comprehensive toolset that can elevate your design projects. Choose wisely based on your needs and budget, and you'll find the right fit for your publishing ventures.